Hi guys, I hope you are all okay. Welcome back to Arm Candy. We have this beautiful piece of Louis Vuitton for you today. So this is a Louis Vuitton Iéna PM in Damier Azur coated canvas. And isn't it just beautiful? This is a gorgeous, gorgeous bag. It comes with the Louis Vuitton box, and then also you've got the Louis Vuitton envelope with the little thank you note inside, and then you've also got Louis Vuitton ribbon and of course the dust bag. So I'll come back and show you the sizing of it. So you can have it as a tote like so, and it looks brilliant. You can also have it as a shoulder. I think I prefer it as a shoulder personally, but you can do whatever you want with it. So I'm size 8 and a 5'4" for reference in the UK, but of course all the measurements will be on the website. So that gives you an idea of the sizing anyway. I'll show you the features of it. So you've got the double top handles here. You've got a front pocket here, and inside the front pocket, just in here, can you see? Oh, it's quite hard to see the date code. There you go. Here it is. Let me show you it the right way around. There's the date code, and it is FL0270. So there's the date code in the front pocket. Inside, so you've got a zip pull fasten here on the top. Inside, you've got this big area in beautiful pink canvas with the 2 flat pockets and 1 large pocket there as well. And I think as well, yeah, you've got the little D-ring there to attach your keys to. So I think that's it for features, but condition-wise, we said the exterior condition is in very, very good condition. It's so close to excellent. The only reason I haven't called it excellent is there are slight, I don't even know, maybe slight signs of wear on the corners, and they really are barely even noticeable. And I think the other reason was there was a slight mark just here on the strap, but that's literally it. The rest of it is immaculate. It is in immaculate condition. So that's why I've called it very, very good and not excellent, but it is in excellent condition. But yeah, that's why I've called it very, very good. Interior condition I have called very good because look at it, it looks absolutely fantastic. There are 2 marks I think in total. There's a little mark just there, and there is a little mark just in there, down there. But other than that, I think it's in very good condition. So the reason I've called it very good and not excellent is because there are a couple of marks in there, but it still looks absolutely beautiful, and I love that colour. I love the really lovely pink colour. I think it's beautiful. Hardware wise, I've also called that very good. I'll show you, there's not loads of hardware on this bag, but what there is in very good condition. So there might be the odd scratch on the hardware, but overall it looks absolutely fantastic. So that's why I've called the hardware very good, and it's kept its gold beautifully. It really has. So, exterior condition, very, very good. Interior condition, very good. And hardware, very good. So yeah, if you want to have a look at this piece of Louis Vuitton, we'll put a link to it in the description below, which will take you straight to the website, straight to this bag. Before you go, like this video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell so you get alerts when we post new videos. And yeah, when you go to the website, make sure you sign up to the newsletter so you get 5% off your first purchase at Arm Candy. The way you do that is a pop-up will come up on the website, or you go to the bottom of any page on the website, put your email in, we'll send you a discount code. If for any reason it doesn't seem to come through, check your spam folder. If it's not in there, you can just give us a message and we'll try and figure it out from there. But yeah, hope you all have a lovely week. The weather is beautiful here at Arm Candy, and we'll see you tomorrow for a new video.